know when you hear that bell, here she come, or he comes, or they come, or him, or her. Yes! Paul Braswell, founder of Art, Healthing, Healing, and CEO, along with Art Chit and Chew here in Baltimore. And if you need more information about Art Chit and Chew, which provide art consulting services, Art, Healthing, Healing, nonprofit organization deals with health and wellness. Check the description below. But anyway, I've been thinking about stuff and I want to share with you this new project, presentation, program, call it whatever you want. Martin Murray E. Mahoney, she was the first African American nurse. And I'm a registered nurse, so I'm there right here. Martin would be proud too. Show with John Lewis. They be happy. Listen, arts and craft, cheap during COVID, promoting whatever you use at home, because we're trying to spend no money, using your garment, using anything. Arts and crafts, 3 minutes or less, okay? Make sure I'm accurate. Begin. So, the medium I'm gonna use is my pants, shorts, and the other one is fabric paint. I'm not gonna do the gloves, I'm not gonna watch. So, I love pink, so for me, pink, that's the design. I had gloves on. Then, what I'm gonna do is, I like bright colors. Baby, these are designer jeans by who? Paul Braswell, RN. I'm almost at my first minute because I talk. People say I talk too much. I like bright colors. So that's on that side here. That's those on that side here. That's one. I feel like that's done. And I'm gonna let that dry. Then I'll go to the outside. These are tight, honey. I'm gonna let these dry. Then I'm looking at the watch because I have it right here. Then I'm gonna let this dry. Okay. Oh, I love bright colors. Plus they're healing. They're healing for me. Hopefully it's healing for you. Make some other picture. She not want everybody to see everything. I want everything to happen. Okay, we got another minute and a half. I want some bright colors on here. These on here. Man, 3 minutes, baby. I'm having me a good old time. All my colors are bright. Light, okay. I'm almost down to my minute, because I'm gonna do one last thing. Oh, because this fabric paint, you can, last minute, y'all can wash. I mean, it's for the fabric, but I'm gonna let it dry first. So on one side, I mean, in your hands and stuff, you can wash it, right? You gotta do that. So this will be different from the other side. I got 45 seconds. So. I have done this in less than like 2 minutes and 30, because there's like 40 seconds left. Do the math, I don't know. So I still can do a little bit more when I get around to the clock. It's moving, because I'm doing, I'm gonna do 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 10, I'm looking at the clock, still adding up the color, to there, I can squeeze it up, then this, 1, 2, 3, go. Watch this, y'all. Bam, baby. Designer. Arts and crafts. Paul Braswell. All right, look at this, Martin. I know that you couldn't wear these back in the day, baby. You'd probably be killed. Mary, you save lives, girl. I'm sure you're not just me. See, told you. What did this cost? Let's do it. Go to the dollar store. I'm giving back to the community. Healthcare provider, nonprofit organization, plus consulting services, Art and Chew. Please, I just ask you, if you decide you want to create something around your house, I'm back here and over this side is the kitchen of my own home. I have another idea I can show you, but baby, I had one before this. You are going to Hollis, you want dealing with the undergarments. One undergarment for boys. And there was an undergarment or footies for girls. Okay? Let's say t-shirt, underwear, drawers, and socks. Just keep it at that. I'll see you on the next episode. Have a good night.